Few would imagine that with an annual output of over 5.5 million tons, tilapia is quietly surpassing salmon and tuna to become the most consumed fish on the planet. In China, where nearly 70% of the world's supply is produced, fish farming has entered a new era, one where advanced technology takes control beneath the surface. In this video, we'll open the doors to China's massive tilapia industry, where a humble fish has transformed into a global supply source, while also raising a big question: can this model truly sustain the world in the future? The journey of tilapia farming in China begins with precise breeding. Scientists use gene editing and selective crossbreeding to create generations of fish that grow nearly twice as fast and are far more resilient than traditional strains. From carefully chosen parent stock, thousands of eggs are fertilized externally. What makes tilapia unique is that the female carries the eggs in her mouth for protection, a behavior known as mouth brooding. Once the fry hatch, they're transferred to nursery tanks, where every factor, pH, temperature, and oxygen levels, is tightly monitored by automated systems, ensuring a clean, stable environment for new life to thrive. At this stage, nutrition is the key factor. The tiny fry are fed several times a day with protein-rich microfeed, just enough to help them grow strong and healthy. What's remarkable is that feeding schedules and portions are no longer decided by people, but calculated in real time by smart sensors working with artificial intelligence. This way, the fish's eating behavior is constantly analyzed, preventing overfeeding and cutting down on waste. In commercial tilapia farms, two main methods are used: traditional earthen ponds in rural areas and modern recirculating aquaculture systems, RAS, in industrial zones. While small farmers rely on natural water sources and large pond areas, big producers turn to advanced technology, transforming fish farming into a form of precision agriculture. In tilapia farming, especially in high-density systems, maintaining a balanced environment is critical. From traditional earthen ponds to high-tech facilities, farmers always prioritize feed management, water quality, and hygiene, since these directly affect survival rates and the taste of the fish. Protein-rich pellets packed with vitamins and minerals help the stock grow quickly and evenly. Artificial intelligence systems go even further, tracking behavior and health in real time, automatically adjusting feed to prevent waste. At the same time, water quality is tightly controlled. pH, oxygen, temperature, and ammonia levels are all kept within safe limits. Lime, biofilters, and oxygen pumps keep the water clean, reduce stress, and lower mortality rates. All equipment is regularly disinfected, and sick or dead fish are removed immediately. Many farms even replace chemicals with probiotics and natural antimicrobials. This careful attention creates a stable environment, paving the way for efficient and sustainable tilapia farming. After 6 to 9 months of care, when tilapia reach between 1 and 2 pounds, farmers move into the most critical stage, harvesting. Timing is everything, because even a slight delay can reduce quality. On small farms, fish are still netted by hand. But on large operations, modern machines can collect up to 12 tons an hour, using gentle suction systems to minimize stress and keep the fish intact. Right after harvest, the fish are placed in holding tanks or specialized trucks with oxygen systems, where temperature and oxygen levels are carefully monitored. Large facilities even schedule harvests to align with processing plant operations, and some digitize the data for full traceability. Inside the processing plant, tilapia begin their transformation from live fish to finished products ready for the market. As soon as the trucks arrive, the fish are placed in tanks with controlled temperature and oxygen to preserve freshness. The process is tightly managed. The fish are stunned and bled, both to ensure humane handling and to improve meat quality. They are then descaled, gutted, and filleted. In large-scale plants, advanced machinery can handle up to 5,000 fish per hour, with automated blades slicing precise, uniform fillets that meet strict market standards. After filleting, the product goes through a careful inspection to detect any remaining bones or defects, done either by X-ray machines or skilled workers. Next, the fish are quickly chilled or frozen to lock in flavor and texture. Depending on market demand, tilapia may be vacuum-packed, portioned into ready-to-cook servings, or individually quick frozen, IQF, for export. In the global market, tilapia has become one of the most traded fish, with a total value topping $10.2 billion. China leads the industry, supplying nearly 70% of global exports to major markets in North America, Europe, and Asia. With its mild, white flesh that's lean yet protein-rich, tilapia easily appeals to diverse tastes, from delicate lemongrass steamed dishes in Asia to grilled fillets and crispy fish tacos in the West. From selective breeding and advanced technology to modern processing, tilapia has grown into a global staple, feeding millions and driving innovation in aquaculture. Behind the staggering numbers lies the story of a humble fish that has shaped economies, culinary traditions, and even the push toward sustainability. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow the channel so you won't miss the next story.